the sails of life. Anything you are today is as a result of what you asked for and worked towards yesterday. What you will be tomorrow is a result of your faith, your hard work through the instructions of your God, and your accomplished vision of life and purpose. We must learn not to allow the side talks of others and the pressures of man define how we live or survive on this earth. To each one is given a defined season. Your season will surely come, but when it comes, make sure you have the right seed to sow, as your harvest will depend on what you sow. Our elders would often say, never let the future disturb you. You will surely meet it if you're destined to. It is with the same weapons of reason which you today have armed yourself that you will use to fight your tomorrow. The future will always belong to those who believed in the beauty of their dreams and passion today. Stay strong. The ship is never scared of the storms, but would always sail through it like a hot knife through a butter. You and your God are the captains of your life ship. Make sure you sail ashore, no matter the storm, no matter how difficult the storm is, because you decide your future.